Goldberg going downstairs, and Goldberg, whoa, what a snap, swinging neck breaker by Bill Goldberg on Brock Lesnar. And now Goldberg setting perhaps for one more opportunity at the spear.
Ready for this, Lesnar? You're on the
field. Down. The impact, the slobber knocking spear, the cover, and what? And Lesnar kicked out at 2. And Goldberg thought the count.
I thought that was a 3 count myself.
Well, Austin is telling Goldberg it was 2. And whether Goldberg likes it or not, that's the way it's going to be, I think.
Believe me, you're not going to change your mind of that stubborn rattlesnake, Goldberg. Oh, no.
Lesnar now.
Down the ball too long.
With the door open, Lesnar with the F5. Lesnar hits his finishing maneuver, the F5. And this is going to be it. The hook of the left. And no, Goldberg. Goldberg kicks out. Austin had that same cadence, that same count that he used on Goldberg.
You're right. It looked like it was over there. Wait a minute. Now Lesnar is trying to tell Austin that was a 3 count.
Austin's giving Lesnar 2 fingers. It could be worse. Lesnar thought it was 3, and Lesnar now complaining as Goldberg did at his slow count. After the F5, Goldberg has the opportunity now to put his wits about him, and Lesnar. Lesnar struck at that ring post to the shoulder. Oh, a spear! Another spear! A spear by Goldberg, almost breaking Lesnar in half. How resilient will Lesnar be? Goldberg with a second spear. Jackhammer! The jackhammer! The hook of the leg! And Goldberg breaks Lesnar!
Here is your winner,
Well, Goldberg representing Raw proudly, defeating Brock Lesnar with a spear followed by the jackhammer as the rattlesnake raises Goldberg's hand.
There was no mistake about it.